Welcome to Think Money with Benny. Here on the channel, we talk about gambling in the stock market to produce massive income. If you're new here, I talk about how to pump your portfolio, how to get rich quick, which YOLO options to invest in. That's what my content is all about. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to 10x your money by jumping into this stock. Get ready, sell the house, put it all into Robinhood, go on Wall Street bets, and become a millionaire overnight. But first, make sure you buy my course. It's only $10,000. Also, make sure you click on the Webull link down below. You get a free stock, I get a free stock, we all get a free stock, all right? Make sure you join the Discord channel. It's only $500 a month. And also sign up for my Patreon account. That's $200 a month. And don't forget to purchase the merch. $100 for one t-shirt. Hats, 10% off. Links all down below. Boom! Oh, what time is it? Oh man, what a dream. I gotta stop watching all these YouTube videos. Oh. Welcome to Think Money with Benny. Here on the channel, we talk about investing in the stock market to produce passive income. If you're new here, I talk about how I grow my portfolio, what strategies I use, which stocks I invest in. That's what my content is all about. If this interests you, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget to hit the like button to help support the channel. All jokes aside, guys, I wanted to make this video to go over my thoughts in regards to the stock market as of late. You see it, I see it, we all see what's going on in the financial space. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, it's all about pumping the next stock, finding the next 2x, 3x, 10x stock. Alongside the fact that the stock market is at record highs and everyone is an expert. You know the famous quote, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Well, if there was ever a time to be fearful, then it should be right now. So what am I doing with my portfolio? What is my plan moving forward? And why am I currently over 40% in cash? Just to be clear, I have nothing against the crazy type of content we're seeing. I find most of it entertaining and funny. As long as you're educated, you've done your research, and you're not following blindly, then you should be fine. The problem and my concern is for new investors who only see the gains being posted. They jump on the bandwagon, they haven't done the research, and they don't know a single thing about risk tolerance or risk management. You can't talk about compounding your wealth over time like before. No. That's just not cool anymore. If you talk to millennials about dividends, they look at you like you're crazy. Jeremy just dropped a video in regards to this topic, as well as Joseph, and I couldn't agree more with them. The overall arrogance from some of these people and the disregard for what the market is capable of doing is just crazy. The market can flip a switch overnight, and you won't even know what hit you if you aren't positioned right. A good way to compare this is picture building a house. You skip on perfecting the foundation because it takes too much time and effort. Okay, so you focus on cosmetics because it looks nice and easy. When the storm comes, and it will come eventually, that house is not going to make it. It's going to get blown away, just like a portfolio who doesn't have a solid foundation. For my new subscribers, which by the way, thank you all for being here. We just hit 4K recently. Welcome to the channel. Let me quickly go over my style of investing so you know what to expect here on the channel. I'm a conservative investor, but I do take some risk when the situation is right. I always carry a cash position at all times no matter what. My primary style of investing is dividend growth investing. My goal is to get my portfolio to pay for all my living expenses, housing, food, utilities. That is my long-term goal. Right now, everything is getting reinvested. My secondary style of investing is selling options and collecting premium. I have plenty of videos on this subject. Links to how to sell covered calls and how to sell cash secured puts are down below. And third, I do enjoy day trading and swing trading companies. I'm okay with buying and holding if things go south. With the proceeds, I funnel it back into my dividend stocks. Let's take a look at my portfolio's positions. If you're interested in seeing my cost basis on my stocks and how many shares I own, check out my previous videos. I'm very transparent with my content, and I don't talk about stocks that I don't invest in. So off the bat, we see I'm very cash heavy right now, 41% in my Fidelity portfolio. Some people will disagree and some people will agree with having a large cash position. At the end of the day, it's all about what you're comfortable with. As long as you stick to your principles and stick to a strategy that works for you, that's all that matters. If the market crashes tomorrow and a storm passes by for an extended period of time, I wouldn't have a problem. In fact, I would welcome it. There are positions in my portfolio that I haven't finished building, like Starbucks, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, and Microsoft. I wish I could get more of these shares at a discount. There are also articles that say margin debt are at record levels. Some investors have been tempted to chase bigger gains and have exposed themselves to potentially devastating losses through riskier plays, such as concentrated positions, trading options. Others are borrowing against their investment portfolios to buy even more stock. So if the market corrected itself right now, would you be able to handle margin calls if you're borrowing money? These are questions that you have to ask yourself. I personally would not put myself in such a risky position. So why am I 40% in cash? It's not because I'm scared of the stock market crashing or because of all the noise about a bubble. If you listen to the noise, then you wouldn't be investing at all. You would have missed all the gains in 2020. The reason I'm cash heavy is because I'm looking to diversify into real estate. This is something I have been researching, I have been planning, and I'm very interested and excited to jump into something new as I continue on the path of building generational wealth for me and my family. I won't be getting into details yet, but I will be making videos about it in the future if all goes well. I know my real estate friends here on YouTube, like Jason, will be looking forward to seeing this type of content. Speaking of Jason, he just put out an amazing and surprising video with Jack from the Iced Coffee Hour with Graham. He actually got Jack to give me feedback on my thumbnails, which was cool to see. For all content creators watching, make sure you check out that video for great advice on leveling up your thumbnails. The link will be up above and down in the description. And subscribe to Jason's channel for content on real estate investing. So all things considered, and with the state of the market, education is key in my opinion. I'm seeing a lot of posts and pictures of big gains, but you will not see many pictures of losses and people blowing their accounts, unless you're on Wall Street Bets where they idolize that stuff. As you can tell from this video and my content overall, I'm not thinking about 2xing or 3xing my money overnight or in a week. I'm all about staying consistent and growing my portfolio over time. That is the process I believe in, and it lets me sleep well at night. If you have a question that you'd like me to answer, just comment down below and I'll answer it in my next video. I really hope you got value from watching this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.